Hey everyone and welcome. Today we're diving into something that, let's be honest, can either make your business soar or sink it, managing your finances. In today's world, everything moves so fast, and using old school accounting methods can feel like you're trying to win a race in a horse and buggy. So what we're gonna do today is explore how a totally modern approach can take all that financial chaos and turn it into pure clarity. Let's see how it's done. Seriously, just take a second and think about this. Is your current financial system a source of stress? Is it eating up precious time that you should be using to, actually grow your business? I'm betting for a lot of you out there, the answer is a big, fat yes. And yeah, these probably look familiar. You know that last-minute panic when tax season hits? Or that feeling of looking at your books and having no idea where your money is actually going? It's like a black hole. You just feel so bogged down in paperwork that you can't even see the big picture. Look, this isn't just about being a little disorganized. These things are real roadblocks keeping you from where you want to be. Okay, so let's put a frame around this problem. What exactly is the modern financial challenge? Well, it's not just about adding and subtracting, right? It's this huge wave of complexity. We're talking digital sales, global suppliers, and tax laws that seem to change every other week. It can be completely overwhelming. And really, this is the heart of the matter. So many businesses, maybe even yours, get stuck in the weeds, chasing down receipts, wrestling with payroll, just trying to keep up with the bills. All that stuff is essential, of course, but it's incredibly time-consuming. And it's not just that it's inefficient, it's that it's pulling you away from your actual mission, from the reason you started your business in the first place. But what if there was a better way to do all this? Well, that's where this new breed of firm comes into play. We're talking about a progressive financial partner, someone who does way more than just your books. They actually change the way you think about and manage your money. And wow, a number like this, it really tells you everything you need to know. Think about it. A 98% client retention rate, that doesn't just happen by accident. That means they're not just crunching numbers correctly, they're building real trust and delivering so much value that clients simply don't want to leave. And this right here, it's more than just a catchy slogan. It's really their whole philosophy. The whole idea is simple. Let us handle the messy financial stuff so you can get back to doing what you love, focusing on growing your business. It's a powerful promise. Okay, so that all sounds great, but what does it actually mean? What do they do? Let's dig into the toolkit because a modern firm has to be ready for just about anything. What I love about this is how they split it up. On one side, you have everything your business needs: corporate taxes, bookkeeping, payroll, even really specialized things like SR&ED tax credits. That's for research and development. Then on the other side, you've got everything for you personally, from your own taxes to planning for your family's future with estate planning. It's the whole package. And look, this isn't some one-size-fits-all approach. They get that a brand new tech startup is a whole different beast than, say, a doctor's office or a law firm. You can see right here they've worked with all kinds of businesses, which is absolutely crucial if you want advice that's actually going to work for your industry. Okay, now we're getting to the part that is, honestly, a total game changer. It's all about how they use technology. This isn't just about having computers in the office. It's about using modern tools to completely overhaul the old way of doing things. So how does it actually work? It's pretty simple, really. Step 1, they digitize everything. So you can finally say goodbye to that shoebox stuffed with faded receipts. Step 2, automation takes over. Repetitive tasks like bookkeeping and payroll just happen efficiently and in the background. And the best part? Step 3, you get access to all your financial info anytime you want, which means you can make smarter decisions faster. And the engine behind all of this? It's cloud accounting. Basically, it just means using awesome online software. You probably recognize names like QuickBooks or Xero to manage your money. And the magic of it is you can log in and see exactly what's happening with your finances securely from anywhere on the planet with an internet connection. So what are the actual benefits here? Well, they're huge. For starters, when you automate things, you slash the number of costly human errors. You also get a much clearer picture of your finances because everything's always up to date. Your data is super secure, but for me, the biggest win is that all those mind-numbing, tedious tasks just disappear. And that frees up your time. Now look, any company can talk a big game. The real proof, the real test, is what their actual clients are saying. So let's wrap up by hearing from the people who matter most. This first one from Zamir, man, this really hits the nail on the head. He points out that it's not just about filing taxes. It's about getting real strategic advice, helping with big picture stuff like how your business is structured or where to invest your money. That's where the real partnership happens. And then there's this one from Portia, which is perfect because it links right back to that tech stuff we were just talking about. She's literally saying that making the switch to cloud accounting made everything streamlined and efficient. It's the promise becoming a reality for a real person. And last but not least, let's talk about the basics. Because as Shifa points out here, all the fancy technology in the world doesn't matter if the people aren't there for you. Being attentive, responding quickly, and hitting deadlines, That's the foundation this all has to be built on. So let's end with this question. Just imagine for a second that your finances are completely sorted. No more tax season nightmares, no more wondering where the money went. You've got a pro in your corner helping you make smart moves. The question then becomes, with all that time and energy back in your pocket, what are you going to build next?